Good morning students. In our today online class, we are going to learn our new lesson Unit 3 Thermal Physics. And also hereafter I am going to teach you only reduced syllabus. So kindly mark the reduced syllabus in your textbook. 3.1 is for your exam. So kindly mark in your textbook 3.1. You going to write for your exam. And then 3.11. 3.11 for your exam portion. And then 3.1.2 for your exam portion. And then 3.2 kindly mark this in your textbook. So these all are for your exam portion. 3.2 and then 3.2.1 kindly tick mark in your textbook. 3.2.1 is for your exam. And then 3.22 is for your exam. And then 3.3 is not for your exam. So this is deleted portion. 3.3 is deleted portion. Three point 3.1 also deleted portion. Three point 3.2 also deleted portion. So you don't prepare for your exam. So this is deleted portion. And then 3.4 is for your exam. So this is your exam portion. Make tick mark in your textbook. 3.4 is your exam portion. And then 3.4.1 is for your exam portion. And then 3.4.2 is for your exam portion. And then 3.4.3 is for your exam portion. And then 3.5 is a deleted portion. 3.5 is a deleted portion. Dear students, in this Unit 3 Thermal Physics, thermal meaning heat. So we are going to learn about the concept of heat and temperature, absolute scales of temperature, and also to understand the thermal energy and the thermal equilibrium, and then fundamental laws of gases. Students, you all are know that sun is the primary source of thermal energy for all living things, for plant, animals, for all other living things. So thermal energy is the cause, and the temperature is the effect. So all living organisms need a particular temperature for their survival. In kitchen, a container with a steel bottom is placed on the induction stove. So here is the question, why they prefer steel bottom to cook the food. So all of us have a common man understanding of thermal energy and temperature. So but in this chapter we are going to learn about thermal energy and temperature in a scientific manner. So let us first learn about temperature. Dear students, temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of a body. So it is important 2-mark question. So temperature is defined as the degree of hotness, how much the object is hot or how much it is cold. So we can measure by the way is known as temperature. So temperature is defined as the degree of hotness or coldness of your body. The temperature is higher for a hotter body than for a colder body, and also it is defined as the property which determines whether a body is in equilibrium meaning balancing, so or not with the surroundings. So further, temperature is the property which determines the direction of flow of heat. See here, the red color arrow mark is the direction of flow of heat. So the flow of heat is always from the hotter object to the colder object. Important 2-mark question. Temperature is defined as the degree of hotness of a body, and also the temperature is higher for hotter body than for colder body. And then it is a scalar quantity. So important 1-mark question, temperature is the scalar quantity, and then SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. So there are other commonly used units of temperature such as degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit scale. So important 1-mark question, temperature is the scalar quantity, and then SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. So there are some other commonly used temperature are degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit scale. Our next topic is absolute scale of temperature or Kelvin scale of temperature. Absolute temperature is a temperature on a scale where zero is absolute zero. At absolute zero, atoms and molecules have minimum energy. See in this picture there are different types of measurements are given. So first one is a Kelvin scale, Rankine scale, Celsius and Fahrenheit. So in the Kelvin scale of temperature, the absolute zero is 0, and then in Rankine also the absolute zero is 0, but in the Celsius near the absolute zero it is given as minus 273.15, and then in Fahrenheit scale absolute zero is taken as minus 459.67. Here is another example to show about absolute zero for Kelvin, Celsius and Fahrenheit scale. For absolute zero, Kelvin is taken as 0, and then for Celsius, absolute zero is considered as minus 273.15, and then absolute zero for Fahrenheit is considered as minus 459.67. So the temperature measured in relation to absolute zero using the Kelvin scale as absolute scale temperature, and also it is known as thermodynamic temperature. In each unit of thermodynamic scale of temperature is defined as the fraction of 1 by 273.16th part of thermodynamic temperature of the triple point. So triple point meaning the temperature and pressure of water, which solid, liquid, gas are at equilibrium, because water only can change in all three states: solid into liquid, liquid into gas, and again gas into liquid. So like that, the thermodynamic temperature of triple point of water, a temperature difference of 1 degree Celsius is equal to that of 1 Kelvin, and then 0 Kelvin is the absolute scale. So important one more question: 0 Kelvin is the absolute scale of temperature of the body. The relation between different types of scales of temperature, Celsius and Kelvin, K equal to C plus 273, and then Fahrenheit and Kelvin. Students, some important temperature conversion formulas are given here. So you have to write in your classwork note. Conversion of Celsius to Kelvin, K equal to C plus 273, and then Kelvin to Celsius, C equal to K minus 273, and then Fahrenheit scale to Celsius, C equal to F minus 32 into 5 by 9, and then Celsius to Fahrenheit scale, F equal to C 9 divided by 5 plus 32, and then conversion from Fahrenheit to Kelvin, K equal to F minus 32 into 5 divided by 9 plus 273, and then last one, Kelvin scale to Fahrenheit, F equal to K minus 273 into 9 divided by 5 plus 32. So this is important temperature conversion formulas. So kindly write in your classwork note.